Hi. So if you want younger, tighter, and brighter looking skin, then this mask that I'm about to make is for you. It just takes a few simple ingredients: turmeric, egg, milk, and yogurt, Greek plain yogurt, to make your skin look beautiful, supple, brighter, and tighter. So our first ingredient, egg, is filled with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which is very good for your skin. So we're going to be using one egg, and I'm just going to beat it like this. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And of course, turmeric powder has healing properties, it has antibacterial properties, and it also has skin brightening properties. So if you want to brighten your skin and get rid of dark spots, even under eye circles, then turmeric is definitely something that you want to incorporate into your beauty routine. So there's a bird outside singing. So you're going to have to whisk this pretty good, and usually I'll use my hand blender for this, but it's very noisy, so I'm just going to... Okay, so just make sure that all of the turmeric is blended in well. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Now Greek yogurt is great for under eye circles, and also it has lactic acid, which exfoliates your skin. So this is, of course, excellent for your skin. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. I'm just going to give this a good mix. Okay, so all of the yogurt is blended in well. So this mask here, it's very watery, so if you do have any chickpea flour or even almond flour, you can add about a tablespoon of that to this, or it's until you get the desired consistency. If you want like a mask, or like a thick mask, I just put it on just like this, and it kind of dries pretty quickly, and then it'll get hard, and you just have to rinse it off and then wipe with a warm washcloth, and it'll give you a really nice exfoliation. So what the milk does is it has a lot of great exfoliating properties, so it'll wipe off any dead skin that you have that could be giving you a kind of dull look. It'll brighten your skin and make your skin look more youthful and bright, and that is by the lactic acid inside it. It will exfoliate your skin. So also with the Greek yogurt. So you want to just apply this to your skin, I would say once a week. And I actually use it probably 3 times a week, but you don't have to do it that much because it is pretty messy. But I also apply it to my neck and my chest area, and like I said, it's pretty liquidy, so you're going to have to be very careful not to, or just wear an old t-shirt, or you can buy one of those kind of like a cape, a protectant, or in like a bib that they use when coloring hair. I have one of those, and it works great to protect my clothing from the turmeric. And you'll see results right away with this. You'll be very happy with the results. Very much brighter skin you'll have, very bright and youthful looking skin. And if you want it to be a little thicker also, and you don't have any kind of chickpea flour or almond flour, you can just add more yogurt. So just adding adding one more teaspoon of that. And as you can see, it thickens up pretty quickly. So if you're looking for like more of a paste consistency, and you can also store this in your refrigerator. I just store it right in my refrigerator and make sure that I use it by the end of the week. Like I said, I use this around 3 times a week, and I use this on my face, neck, and chest area. So don't forget to apply creams and moisturizers and any kind of anti-aging products to your neck and your neck and chest area, because those are always exposed to the sun and they age very quickly. So you want to really take care of, just make believe that that your face continues down your neck to your chest. So when you're applying anything to your face, except for probably if you have acne and you're using any kind of acne products, but if you're using Retin A or any kind of retinoids or anti-aging products or moisturizers, just start on your face and just always remember to go down to your neck and chest area. And of course your hands are very important too. So this is an extremely brightening mask. I really love this mask, and I really think that it helps to improve the dullness and just brightens the complexion. So if you're noticing any dullness, it's because you have to exfoliate your skin. And if you don't want to use those harsh, abrasive kind of scrubs like with beads or anything like that, then this is the way to go. So like I said, it's loaded with lactic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, and lots of antibacterial and anti-aging properties. Now another alternative, if you want it thicker, you can also add a mashed banana, like half of a mashed banana. So of course those are excellent for your skin, and I'm going to be making a video with a banana mask that I like to use. So give this recipe a try. As you can see, it's very yellow, so again, be careful with it. And just give it a try and let me know how you like it. And just stick with it. I would say once a week. But if you really love it and you feel that your skin is brightening and you can see that the dullness is fading and the brown spots are fading, then you can use it probably twice a week and always have radiant skin. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you give this recipe a try.